Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bankers Academy. Last time we have learned and seen the concept of coding and decoding. Just a quick recap for the last topic. Last time we have seen some code words and how to by heart the ABCD. So I think you people have by hearted the ABCD, how it is coded or decoded in the exams. It is very beneficial in the exams like banking, PO, clerks, SSO, special officer. Mostly it is preferable in banking. If any of the bank exams, it is must. So we have to by heart this. So today I'm gonna show some examples how to decode the coding alphabets, coding questions. So wait a minute. So here are some questions according to the exams questions. So we can see golden is written like some this. Then how styles written. I'm doing the question. GOLDEN, golden. It's written some like this, MPHOFE. Now we have to find the system, how it is written as. Like G, what comes after G? H. So we can see this GH. What comes after O? P. Then we can see this OP. And what comes after L? That is M. Then this is the pattern of the question. We can see many patterns. It is not written in the sequence wise. We have to find out the patterns. That calls decoding. How we find out the patterns. So in the same way, after D, E comes, after E, F comes, and after N, O comes. This is the pattern of the question. In the same way, we have to find out styles. So the same way it was be like this and this. So Y, Z, T, U, S, T. In the same way, this one also S, T, E, F, L, M. So this is the final answer. This is one of the pattern of the coding and decoding questions. In the same way, we can see some more examples like this, some other patterns. SIMPLE. In some sense, simple is written like this. LEMPSI. So you can see something similar about ABCD or any opposite words. No, we can't see something. So if you see something how it is written in the same sense, we have to write jungle. So now first we have to find out the pattern. So pattern is like this, LEE, LL, MM, PP, I, and S. So we can do this. This is one of the second pattern of the coding decoding. So we are not much familiar with some this of patterns. So here I am to tell you about these patterns. These are very beneficial in the exams like PO and clerk. So we have to find out jungle. How would be it comes with this code. So E, then L. So E written that first, then L, then N, then G, then U, and then finally J. This is the second pattern of the coding decoding. In the same sense, this is the third pattern. You can see miracle. And it comes out something like this, N, K, U, E, H, R, L. There is nothing similar among this. as we have solved before questions, then we have this crossed out and we get the answer, but we can't see in this question. So here is second pattern, third pattern. Last time I have taught you about the alphabetical orders and its numbers. So it is most important to remember the numbers and alphabetical orders. So M goes 23, M goes 13, sorry, as according to the alphabetical order. I 9, R 18, A 1, C 3, L 12 and E 5. In the same sense, N goes 14, K 11, U 21, E 5, H 8, R 18 and L 12. So you can see any kind of pattern in them. Yes, we can see this M, after M comes N, so plus 1, 13 plus 1 14, okay, and after I comes J, then K, so plus 2, 9 plus 2 11, that is K, okay. Then R, after R S T, then U, means 3, then plus 3, 18 plus 3 21, then 1 plus 4, that is 5. In the same sense, the sequence are like this, plus C 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, H 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, that is R, and 5 plus 7, then it is 12. So it is very beneficial in the exams like banking, in PO and clerk. For this we have to by heart the ABCD, so to get a quick answer within a second. If you know the ABCD and its sequence and its opposites, then it is very easy to solve the question within a second. As we all know, the time limit are very less in the exams, so we have to mug up the ABCD and its sequence and its opposite. So miracle is written somewhat. So in the same sense, we have to find out gamble in the same pattern. So what would be this? First, in the same sense, we have to find out how gamble is coded. G7, A1 and 13, B2, L12 and E5. Then 7 plus 1, it's 8, and H comes on 8. 1 plus 2, it's 3, and C comes on 3. M plus 3, that is 13 plus 13, 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, and that is P on 16. And the same sense, plus 2 plus 4, that is 6, and it's F. And 12 plus 5, it is 17, that is Q. And in the same sense, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5, it is equal to 11, and K comes on 11. This is some tricks and some patterns to find out the answer quickly. For this we have to by heart and mug up the ABCD and its sequence and its opposites. In the same sense, other example, it is somewhat similar about first example. So we can see like this, W W O O N. This is the pattern. This is the pattern of the question. In the same sense, how is confusing written? O C N F U S, that is I G and N. This is some of the pattern about the coding, decoding, and it is very much beneficial in the exams. So this is some examples. If you have any query about this type of question, you can comment on the comment box. And if you have first time channel on my channel. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. If you like, then subscribe and like. Thank you friends.